Hey guys, this is Mike from B Tech Reviews here, and today we're going to do a speed test on the Pixel 6a. So Pixel 6a just came out for reviewers, and this phone should be releasing very soon. And I wanted to do a speed test for you guys, and what I mean by speed test is I want to do an ookla speed test as far as its data speeds go. And again, this is going to be indicative, or this is going to be different for every user, because obviously every user is going to be using different networks here. So just a heads up which network I'm using, guys. I am using the Visible SIM that I have on the device, and again, Visible by Verizon. So you can see the server there is Houston, Texas here, which I don't even live close by. I don't know why they always tend to do that. Let's do 1,000 scale. Let's just see. Not that it'll ever get to the 1,000, but let's go ahead and do a quick speed test. And again, shout out to Sneed and shout out to other other YouTubers that do care about influencing speed tests and everything like that. Now, of course, I've already stated this in other of my videos that the speeds for Visible are not very good. It's a little bit after midnight. We all know that. Here, let's see if I can zoom in here. We all know that Visible is not the fastest when it comes to Verizon's MVNOs, or whatever you want to call it, right? We all know it's not at the top of the speed list. In fact, you can see here. But for the most part, I always get decent speeds in my area. Again, 47.9 download, 8 upload, which is pretty okay. Let's do another speed test, and we'll change the server here in just a second. But the reason why I'm doing this again is because, first of all, I like Visible. A lot of people do not like Visible, and I'm not trying to, again, name any other YouTubers that hate on Visible or anything like that. There's some people that like it. There's some people that don't, right? But, the reason why I like it so much is because, look at that. Look at how long it's taking to connect. I don't know why. Maybe my Visible network isn't working, guys. Is first of all, yes, I know it has its downfalls because there's really no customer service. You can't go to a Visible store, or you can't really call a phone number and complain. All you can do is just really go online and talk with one of their chat members or email one of their reps. So who's messaging me over here? Who is that? Latrizzle. Okay, hold on, let's kill the app really quick, and then let's try again. I'm not sure what was going on there. And it does say LTE on top. I don't know why. I do not have 5G in my area or whatever. I guess I'm just not in the right spot in my city to get 5G. And now look at this. You know what? I might have forgotten to pay my bill, by the way, guys. I'm not sure if the bill date was due today or yesterday. Let me check my bill status. So I did pay my bill right now. I don't know what was happening there. Let me go ahead and get the phone unlocked here really quick, guys. And let's try this again. Again, I don't know what was happening with the ookla speed test app, but let's try this again. And I do have Visible in the background, and just a heads up, I will share the code if you guys are interested in trying out the service. Give $20 and you get $20 off, so first time users can try it out at a discount, right? Let's go ahead and try the speed test app again, because again, I paid my bill, and I know I paid my bill. It's right there. I'm over here literally on the website. Okay, so again, Pixel 6a Houston. Let's try it. Let's try one more time. I did find it this time, and I just paid my bill, right? I've been doing a lot of Uber Eats, so let's minimize this so we can darken the background a little bit. And again, 60 megs is nowhere, 1,000 meg internet, right? We are scaling this to 1,000. If I were to change that little thing, it would be closer to the 100 mark, obviously, which, hold on, let's go back there and scale it down a little bit, and let's change the server really quick to, I guess, let's change it to somewhere near me, obviously, because I don't live in Houston. I've noticed that, when I do the Houston servers, or the ones that are a little further out, I get much higher speeds. I don't know why. Maybe that's just Visible, but check this out. Obviously, again, I'm scaling it only up to 100 right now, so that's why it looks like it's doing a lot better. 49 is no slack as far as the download speed, those guys. I mean, you're not gonna have any trouble streaming any Netflix or YouTube or anything like that. I've never had issues streaming, even when people are live streaming. I've never had issues when people are live streaming their streams, whether it be MTR or Tito or whoever else, right? So just a heads up. So there it is, 53 download and 9 upload. The upload was actually better on this one than on the last one. And let's just do one more. You know what I mean? Let's change the server. Let's go to. See, there's Verizon in San Antonio. Let's try Verizon San Antonio really quick. And let's zoom in just a little bit here so you guys can see that. Filming on my iPhone 13 Pro, by the way, guys. But I will go ahead and leave you guys links in the description if you guys are interested. Again, with you know, visible. Again, you're not gonna get the fastest speeds, but really just depending on your area. If you have, I don't know, I was pinching, I was pinching on that screen. Really, just depending on the area that you live in. You know, if Verizon's good in your area, then you're not gonna really have issues. You know, for my area, the Verizon's actually pretty solidly weak. And I'm hoping to make a trip eventually to Houston one of these days to see how good the, you know, the service is out there. I went last year and I was able to test out the service and I was getting decent speeds. Ooh, let's do City of Far. One more test and then we'll get this stream ended, guys. And again, I really appreciate you checking out my Pixel 6 content and my Pixel 6a, excuse me. And again, you know, for the phone is still on pre-order right now. I believe it's going to release very soon though, so getting a little bit slower speeds, as you guys can see here, from the closer networks. I think it's interesting. I'm getting pretty good upload speed, surprisingly. Like anything over 5 for me on upload is like pretty decent. Like I wish upload speeds in the States were a little bit better. I don't have, you know, fiber internet or anything like that. So, and check out Boost. I actually need to do a video because I do have their Q-Link hotspot sitting in the background over there somewhere. And right now Boost is offering 1 month of 2 gigabytes. Try all our new 5Gs. So again, check out the Boost promotions over here on Speed Test. Wow, okay. Not sponsored, by the way. Boost is just, you know, sneaking in on here. And again, let's try one more from Houston and then we'll get it going and we'll go ahead and wrap up the video here, guys. And again, I appreciate y'all checking out the channel. And you know, so again, I don't know why the Houston server just seems to get a little more push than others, but you know, again, I really don't have issues again with visible, guys. Like literally I can go anywhere in my town and, you know, carry the phone around and, you know, no issues whatsoever other than the phone getting hot, which right now the phone is getting a little bit hot. But other than that, no complaints with visible service. Again, you know, I pay $25 a month and sometimes, you know, if a referral code goes through, I pay like $10. So you know, shout outs to all the people in my party pay plan. If you guys are interested, I'll go ahead and set up the links there. And again, guys, you know, for the most part, that's not too bad. You know, 42 download and 8 upload. Again, you know, this is probably 5G for some AT&T customers or for some T-Mobile customers, I don't even know, or for some other carriers, you know what I mean? So just keep that in mind. Take it with a grain of salt. This is, you know, this is going to be different in every area. I'm in South Texas, so this is my speed in South Texas. But anywho, guys, don't forget to smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks again for watching.